Blogging is a great way to make money online. With the right tools and knowledge, anyone can start their own blog and start making money. Here are some tips on how to make money through blogging. Understand your niche. Before you start a blog, you need to decide on a niche. You should choose a topic that you are passionate about and have knowledge of. This will help you create content that will draw in readers. Create quality content. Create high-quality content that is relevant to your niche. This will help you attract readers, who may be interested in the products or services you offer. Promote your blog. Promote your blog through social media and other channels. This will help you reach a wider audience and generate more traffic. Monetize your blog. Once you have a steady stream of readers, you can start monetizing your blog. This could include advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. Network. Network with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. This will help you build relationships and increase your reach. Blogging can be a great way to make money online. With the right strategy and dedication, you can start earning an income through blogging. You can make money blogging by selling products or services, advertising, affiliate marketing, or offering consulting services. Good luck!